How to make fast money as a teen. College and high school students often wonder about how they can earn money, preferably through a process or a way that does take very long. Sometimes they find themselves in circumstances where opting for or applying for physical internships could be better. In such cases, finding ways to make fast money is possible through various online methods. The internet is already swaying and dominating a major aspect of our lives. Now more than ever, with the introductions of the work from home method after the COVID-19 pandemic. So, more teenagers are searching for such methods to become financially independent. If you are one of them or related to them, this video will help you find effective and efficient way to make money easily. Keep watching the video till the end to find them all out. Hi, I hope you have a great time here at Lunch to Freedom. If you want to understand the ins and outs of making money online regularly from the comfort of your home, this channel is for you. First thing first, you'll be pleased to know that those who stick around until the end of the video will be eligible for a giveaway prize. After watching the video, leave a comment on this page to be nominated to win the reward. Click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell to get alerts. To claim your reward, just send an email from the same Gmail account you used to leave a comment on the video to lunchtofreedom@gmail.com. Let's get going then. You need a mobile phone or a laptop with an internet connection, and you are good to go. So, without any further ado, let's dive right in. 3. Freelance work. On number 3 of our list, we have freelance work. It is a simple and easy way to earn money. Whether it is translation, marketing, copywriting, video editing, graphic designing, or app development, you can do freelance work in all of these fields and earn good money. Several global and domestic websites give teens the chance to get reimbursed for their techniques, no matter if they do not have a lot of experience. Some of the most popular websites that help you do this are the Freelance India, Fiverr, Check India, Upwork, and Freelancer, among several others. Let us now see the steps. Step 1. In the first step, you need to join the site by enrolling with your necessary certified details such as name, country name, email, and so on. After your details are substantiated by the site, your account will be successfully created. Step 2. In this step, you will be required to update details based on your previous experience and aptitude and educational qualifications. And once it is accepted in a certain period, you will be authorized to receive freelance work. Step 3. In the third step, after you have created your account and received work, you can start doing it by interacting with client directly or through the site itself. Some sites guarantee payment to freelancer and some enable direct transactions with clients. Therefore, payment is not guaranteed. So you have to be careful in selecting the right site. How much can you earn? The payment can be made on a fixed or hourly basis, and the money will depend mainly on the kind of work and your skill level. The payment can be generally made directly to your specified bank account, so you must have one. But in case you don't have a bank account, you will be required to enter the bank details of someone you trust, for instance your parents, or you can also use PayPal if possible. 2. Starting a YouTube channel. The second way that we recommend teenagers to make money is by starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the most popular ways to make money nowadays. It is no secret that a lot of teens across the globe want to make YouTube videos or have already started to make them. They are making many amazing videos on every topic you could think of or even not think of, therefore gaining a lot of attention. If you have a dancing talent or singing or acting talent or even art, if you are good at what you do and want to use it to earn money simply by sharing it with the world, then you can make a good fortune by posting videos. Starting a YouTube channel is also quite easy. However, you must remember that you will need to be a little patient, as gaining followers and getting views may take some time. But in the end, it's going to be all worth it. Start with creating a calendar to keep track of dates. Upload videos on those fixed dates. And then keep researching and experimenting with new things to see what type of content and sites are working for you and your viewers. You can start by shooting and uploading videos on basic things you have learned or discovered in the past. Or it might be about something you want to do next. The bottom line is that not only you will be able to earn cash by doing it, but also if things go right and luck is on your side, you might even become the next popular face on social media. So, money, fame, and opportunity all might come your way. 1. Blogging or vlogging. On number 1 on our list, we have blogging or vlogging. Until a few years ago, it was merely a platform to express people's passion, but today it has also become a decent way to make money. Just by simply blogging about a particular topic of your choice, you can gain the attentions of many readers or businesses, which will be translated to cash. There are several ways in which a blog or vlog on YouTube will help you earn money. For example, ad placements through product sales on your blog, affiliate marketing, which means promoting someone else's product on your blog or even reviewing different products, Google AdSense, or even guest posts in others' blogs. So, select the way you want and start the journey of being financially independent by making your passion a means of making money. How to do it? Let us go through each step to help you understand. Step 1. First of all, select your blogging platform. Even though there are various blogging platforms such as Tumblr, WordPress, Ghost, Blogger, Squarespace, Medium, etc., where you can blog for free, it is better if you set up a self-hosted blog, most preferably through WordPress.org. It is because free blogs typically have a lot of restrictions in terms of features and customization, in addition to having a poor storage capacity and do not permit ads or even affiliate links, which are one of the best means to earn money. You will, however, be required to pay for the domain name and blog, but don't worry, that sum will be completely worth the money you will spend. Step 2. In this step, you will need to choose a domain name along with a hosting plan. As a result, you will be regaled more professionally and seriously. By selecting your domain name and purchasing a web hosting plan, you can receive a complete constraint over the outlook and intent of your blog. Step 3. Next, you will be required to select a theme or topic that interests you. And then you can start writing, post videos, or share informations. It will undoubtedly take time and effort to gain skill and a loyal audience, but you have to hand in a while. You also must post invariably and share unique and not plagiarized information. Thank you for visiting our channel. Like and subscribe if you are interested in discovering fresh internet income opportunities daily. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts by commenting below. Everyone who likes, subscribes, click the bell icon, and leaves a comment below our video will get a free copy of our financial blueprint book. To pass the time till then, check out some of our other videos. Many thanks to everybody who has watched.